Hello and welcome back guys to a basic Flutter material widgets course for beginners level. In this course we will be designing an app using material design widget. In this tutorial we will be working on bottom sheet. So for this, first of all, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's add show model bottom sheet in our onPressed method. This will have context is context in the builder is context return wrap children cons list style leading will have icons dot share. Let's adjust the commas and semicolon. Now let's add text by adding title, and the text will be share and save. Let's copy and paste the list style one more time and change its icon to dot link and the text to get link and save. Now you can see we have our bottom sheet. Our tutorial ends up here. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment, and turn on the notification button to never miss an update.